Like a toaster strudel pack.
Jake said it looked like a toaster strudel pack. I tend to agree with that one. Today we are rebuilding an ignition cylinder. This is the F250 we're here. See the kind of key we're using. We got all our numbers laid out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 laid out. I've already opened up all the bags. We also have our bag of springs open. First thing we're gonna need to do is get this old one taken apart. Golly! There we go. Good. I'll put the key in, slide it. Should be able to come out the front, I would think. Shit, Jake.
Yeah, okay. You want to do that thing? Because I'm finna take it out.
Sure. There you go. Set him up there.
There you go. But you can't do that to build it.
So what we're going to do to figure out which one of these actual pins we need to put in our new one, we're going to pull these out. Assuming though that you didn't have the old lock cylinder and you still wanted to do this, you could do this by guesstimating what pin you need in each one. You basically would stick the key in, and as you see, when you stick the key in, these right here are going to come flush with the actual cylinder here. So as you try different ones, like a 1 might be a little tall, so you might have to go to a 2 and it brings it down a little more. So you could build it like that, but it's much easier when you have the old cylinder sitting here. All we got to do, reach up in here and we're going to grab these like this with a pick. See that? See that good, Jake?
Kinda.
Just once we grab it with a pick, you see us pulling up out of there? Okay, so you see we got them laid out in the exact same way. We're pulling this one out. We're gonna see what the number is on it. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that is a 1 on that number. So we're gonna get our baggie here of 1s. We have our new 1 right here. We're gonna get us a new spring because on this old one, you see that there is a spring up under each one of these that allows it to come back up. So we do have new springs. We're going to throw a new spring in. There's what our little spring looks like. Right there. Grab one. I'm going to grab it with our pliers. We're going to go scoop. You see when we shove the key in, the key goes all the way in. See how that's sitting flush now? That's how it should be. So we're going to move on to the next one. So as you can see here also, we're working on one side at a time. We're going to do the 3 on this side, then we're going to flop it over and we'll do the 3 on the other side. Our next one is a 4. Bring in. That one popped in real easy. Alright, so now we have the 3 done on this side, so we're just going to flop it over to the other side. It's like this, and as you see we actually have 4 on the other side. Do our first one. Damn, man. That one's not wanting to cooperate with us. Oh, there we go. That one's gonna be a 1. You gotta think about the people on the camera, man. You can't be thinking about yourself. Think about what the people at home are seeing. Booyah. Okay, so after we got this ignition cylinder built here, the last thing we want to do is put our cover out here on the end. This actually blocks dirt and whatnot from getting in where your keyhole goes in. Kind of see how that one looks. We're gonna just do the same thing on the new one. See, I got it in backwards. And we got this little white plastic piece here that is going to lock it in place for us. Boom. We got that on. Let's stick our key in, make sure everything looks good with it. Yeah, see how flush on this side, we're flush on this side. We have this little knob. This is how you get the cylinder out of the truck. You're gonna pop the little steering column shroud down. You'll stick the key in the hole, turn it to the run position. And once you turn it to the run position on the bottom of the column, you'll push this little tab right here in with a screwdriver. You push that in, that'll allow you to slide this whole thing out of the truck.
Like a toaster strudel pack.
Jake said it looked like a toaster strudel pack. I tend to agree with that one. If you look down inside, we can see our little, you probably can't see it, but we have a little notch inside that's gonna fit right here on the cylinder. Make sure we have it turned right. And basically, as we go in, we're just gonna start squeezing these to help them fall. See, as we squeeze them, we're going a little further each time. Finally, we just got it locked in. Make sure it works good. Stick our key in. We're working great. Ignition cylinder rebuild. This is the F250 that's going to apply to anything that has a key that looks like this. Now you know how to do it at home if you need to. Let's get this stuck back in the truck.